This video was impromptu. I'm filming this the day of because this week has been a lot because of school. But I was just sitting in this room and I was doing my hair because I've been really struggling with my hair lately, and I thought I'd turn on the camera and get in a video this week after all. I've been struggling so much with technique and like how to style my hair and stuff, and like for the past couple weeks I've just like not even been bothering. But like I just like haven't been caring about my appearance, and like I think it's depressing me a little bit. I honestly feel like I'm happier when I kind of like put effort into how I look, because then I look good, and whenever I see myself looking good I'm like, yes! But lately I've been looking in the mirror and I've been like, no, because my face has been breaking out non-stop. Like I get rid of one blemish and another appears somewhere else, and it's really frustrating. And could I give more effort into my skincare routine? Probably. Am I having some sort of mental break? I don't know, maybe. Is that okay? Yes. I had my hair styled because I washed it yesterday. But I just rinsed out all the product because I just feel like, I think I realized that I've been doing something wrong. I thought I had found the hack. I thought that I was like, I just needed a lot of protein in my hair, and that was what was my problem before. But then I think I started going overboard. So like I was only using leave-in conditioners where the first or second ingredient was like a hydrolyzed protein. But I think I was using that, and then I was using a gel and a mousse that I didn't know had protein also in it. So I just kind of been like using a lot of protein. I think that might be an issue. And maybe at this point I'm just kind of like looking for issues. I've been watching some videos from my hair twin on YouTube, India Batson, and I think I'm just gonna like do some damp styling. Usually I do it right out of the shower, but I'm gonna try to do it a different way. I'm gonna use a different product, a different leave-in that's not like so heavy on the protein, and I'm just gonna stick to using a protein gel, so that way maybe my hair will be a little bit less proteiny. Today what I'm going to be using is the OGX Coconut Curls Curl Styling Milk. This, I don't think it has any protein in it. I just think it's fully just for moisture. I read all the ingredients. I don't see any aloe. I don't see any hydrolyzed proteins of any kind. I just see some extracts and some fragrance, which isn't the best, but I don't really care about fragrance. It doesn't bother me. It hasn't in the past, but I'm gonna try this because I've had it laying around, and I'm gonna see how it performs, and that's all. This is good because it's got this kind of like clear, like thin, milky texture to it. I have had luck in the past with leave-ins that are more this texture rather than like the thick, buttery kind. I don't know. I'm just trying my best. I swear my hair is wavy, but like when it's wet, it's like dead. I really do like the texture of this. I don't like how strong the smell is necessarily, but I like the texture and how thin it is so far. Now I'm going to let this soak into my hair just a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the gel on. Okay, I went ahead and put my gel in my hair off camera. I used the Aussie Instant Freeze. The protein that is in this that I'm relying on is aloe vera, which is a more gentle. This was on my finger. It's a clump of hair that I suppose I pulled out of my head. Hopefully this amount of protein will be more suited for my hair. Oh, this guy's wanting to have fun. It is thick. I like to use water with it to like thin it out because I can't afford those fancy like Ouidad watery gels, but this works just fine if you dilute it with water. I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and then I'm gonna come back, and then we're gonna see the results, and then we're gonna know whether I'm gonna have a mental breakdown or not. Okay, it's dry. The cast is still on. I'm going to scrunch it out with a little bit of jojoba and avocado oil. All right. I'm very happy with this. I feel like the front pieces were able to like bounce into place a lot better. I feel like my hair is a lot more malleable. The back is doing its thing. My hair doesn't feel as crunchy as it did before. I think a problem I had before that I was scrunching gel into my hair shaft, which was making my hair just all feel dry and crunchy, but it's a lot softer feeling now. And I feel like it's not just inherently dry and crunchy. I didn't think I was gonna like it because it doesn't have protein in it, but turns out that's exactly what I needed. So I will be using this again. Do recommend. Okay, my light is now completely dead. I post videos every Wednesday. Check out my Instagram, subscribe, like this video out of charity and pity if you didn't like it. I'm gonna go charge my light. Bye.